arriving in approximately 2 minutes.
Right, but here we've got an important. Oh wow, these are still super hot. So, okay, we're gonna get our sauce ready first. So, guys, if you've never had Nando's anything, I highly recommend you should try it. There's one downtown Chicago, and they are famous for their chicken, and of course, their sauces. Oh. All right. Well, let's see. All right. Wow, guys. A little too much sauce. Oh yeah. The breading, guys, is a little thick. On the thick side, but certainly inside. Oh wow. Certainly inside. They are scrumptious. Oh wow, that's definitely different right there to the first one I had. Wow, guys, look at all that goodness in there. Look at all that goodness. Oh. Cha-cha. Cha-cha would be proud of me. Oh, Cha-cha. Wow. Okay. Can't really tell what they are on the outside, but I've never really seen them balled up like this before. I've basically seen them in the traditional triangle shape. Oh wow.
UP Northwest train number 663 to Palatine is arriving in approximately 5 minutes.
Oh wow, guys.
Train number 663 to Palatine is arriving in approximately 5 minutes.
Wow. This one's got some nice fresh peas in it. and I'm loving those. Oh, they're so juicy. Oh wow. Guys, this is amazing. And this is the gluten-free peri-peri sauce, peri-peri. Very hot. Okay, one more down the hatch, and there we go. Oh wow, guys, this is amazing. Oh, anyone like spicy food? I think this one might be the spicy the spicy samosa, because definitely, oh, I'm feeling the kick in that one. Oh yeah, I'm feeling the kick. And salute, I'm gonna give it a little more kick. Right, oh God. I'm gonna stop myself right there. Whoa. Jay Baraki by sub. I gotta give you guys one. Oh. Oh wow. Yeah, certainly on that note, guys, I'm very happy about the way the dash has gone. And now, of course, our little station dinner time. So all in all, guys, this has been a wonderful day, and like I said, we'll try to get back at it again tomorrow. If not, we will hasta la ciao ciao until this Friday. Alright guys, so thanks for tuning back in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now. Over and out from the concrete jungle of Des Plaines, Chicago, Illinois.